ChatGPT is everywhere, but most people barely scratch the surface of its power. The real magic? It's not just what you ask, but you ask. A well-crafted prompt can turn ChatGPT from a party trick into a game-changing assistant. Today I'll show you 10 genius prompts that unlock its full potential for real-world tasks. Let's dive in. Writing the perfect email can open doors, if you get the details right. Instead of write me an email, try this. Act as an expert copywriter specializing in professional communications. I need to write an email to recipient at company university about subject. My goal objective. My relationship describe. Use a tone. This prompt gives ChatGPT all the context it needs for a tailored, persuasive message. It's a game changer for job seekers, professionals, and students alike. No more generic emails, just targeted, effective communication. Try it and see the difference. Stuck on a video script? Let ChatGPT be your creative partner. Use this prompt. You are a professional YouTube scriptwriter. My video is titled, Title, for Audience, should be length, and the tone is tone. Generate a script outline with a hook, 3 main points, and a strong outro. Suggest B-roll and on-screen graphics for each section. This structure gives you a complete roadmap, no more blank page anxiety. Perfect for creators and educators who want a fast, organized start. You get a first draft in seconds, ready for your personal touch. Save hours of planning and focus on what matters, your message. Let AI handle the heavy lifting. Learning something tough? Make ChatGPT your personal tutor? Try act as an expert educator, explain topic to audience level, using analogies and real-world examples. Then quiz me with 3 questions. This prompt adapts to your knowledge level and makes learning interactive. It's not just about explanations, it's about understanding and retention. Great for students, parents, and teachers who want clear, engaging help. Turn complex topics into aha moments. Got a business idea? Stress test it with AI before you invest. You are a seasoned venture capitalist. Here's my idea. Describe. Give me a SWOT analysis, top 3 challenges, and actionable strategies. This prompt demands honest, structured feedback, not just encouragement. You get a reality check and practical advice to refine your plan. It's like having a free consultant in your pocket. Perfect for entrepreneurs and startups. Don't pitch blind. Get real insights first. Freelancers and remote workers, meet your new productivity coach. Prompt act as a productivity and wellness coach. I'm a profession struggling with challenge. My goal, outcome. Create a daily action plan for the next week with time blocking, distraction strategies, and an end-of-day routine. This isn't generic advice, it's tailored to your needs. Get structure, accountability, and practical tips to boost your performance. Build better habits and work smarter, not harder. Your digital coach is just a prompt away. Social media success takes strategy and creativity. Let AI help. Try you are a social media marketing expert. My business, describe. Audience, describe. Platform. Generate a 1-week content calendar with daily ideas, formats, captions, hashtags, and calls to action. This prompt gives you a ready-to-use plan, not just random ideas. Perfect for brands, small businesses, and personal creators. Stay consistent and engaging without the stress. Let AI handle the planning so you can focus on connecting. Coding can be tough. Why not get instant help? Use. Act as a senior software engineer in language. Here's my code. Paste. Identify bugs, provide a better version, and add comments explaining the logic. This prompt turns ChatGPT into a code reviewer and teacher. Learn from your mistakes and improve your skills with every fix. Great for beginners and pros alike. Debug, optimize, and understand faster than ever. Need a bedtime story or creative spark? Let ChatGPT help. Prompt. You're a master storyteller for children. Write a short story for a 5-year-old about a brave squirrel named Squeaky who wants to fly, with a wise owl sidekick and a moral about trying new things. You provide the ingredients. AI delivers a magical, age-appropriate tale, perfect for parents, teachers, or anyone who loves stories. Spark imagination and teach valuable lessons, all in one go. Storytime just got easier. Make your resume stand out with AI's help. Use Act as a professional resume writer. I'm applying for job title at company type. Here's my resume section. Paste. Rewrite to be more impactful, use strong verbs, add quantifiable achievements, and suggest relevant keywords. This prompt transforms bland duties into powerful accomplishments. Tailor your resume for every job, no more guesswork. Get noticed by recruiters and land more interviews. It's targeted, effective, and fast. Upgrade your CV in minutes. Planning a trip? Let AI be your travel agent. Prompt, you are an expert travel agent. I'm planning a day trip to destination for people. Budget, interest list. Create a day-by-day itinerary with meals, activities, and transport at a pace. This prompt delivers a custom, actionable plan, no more endless research. Perfect for any traveler, from backpackers to families. Save time, reduce stress, and enjoy your trip more. Your dream vacation, planned in minutes. Those are 10 prompts that unlock ChatGPT's true power. The secret? Give it a clear role, context, and format for amazing results. Think of ChatGPT as your creative partner, not just a tool. The possibilities are endless. What will you create next? Want more prompts? Download our free prompt power pack below. Like, subscribe, and comment. Which prompt will you try first? Unlock your potential with smarter AI prompts.